Just another boring video of my big old empty garage and like, whoa, and whoa! Hi everyone, and welcome to the channel about kit cars and other car topics. Today is delivery day of my Factory 5 33 Hot Rod version 2. So hit the subscribe and the notification buttons below, and welcome to the channel. So yes, it is true. The delivery has come today. I have my 3-car garage here that is filled to the gills with Factory 5 parts. So we have the 33 Hot Rod version 2. They come in a nice flat black now on the powder coating. You pay extra for that, but I think back in the day it used to be gloss, and I'll be honest with you, the flat black just looks so much cooler and meaner than the gloss black. So I was really excited to see that. I actually saw a flat black on the version 2 at SEMA, and I was like, and then just today I was like, man, was that just for the show car? And you know, the regular cars are still in gloss, but no, it is flat, so it's amazing looking. So I'm gonna run around here a little bit. We have all our boxes. We have the car sitting on the 4 jack stands. We have the fenders, the coupe, the hood, the trans tunnel, some of the front side skirts sitting next to the trans tunnel there. I'll go over it in a little more detail. And then we have the inside of the car, which is a little bit set up. just because it's easy to ship it where the part actually is supposed to go. The doors are just being held on by tape. And but this shipment came, there's my Moser transaxle, which did come in another crate from another shipment directly from the factory. I had another video on that. But we have the actual hood, which should be the raised hood. I'm not sure if I'm seeing that correctly. I'll double check that. This is the coupe to the top. We got our front bike fenders, rear fenders, which is part of the bike fenders. These rear fenders are also, at least they used to be with version 1, was part of the long running board fenders also. I think it's the same exact mold, you just have to trim it down to use it on bikes. In the white plastic here, we have the roll cage. And then these are the two bottom side skirts, which is kind of to the side below the side panels of the engine underneath. And then we have the two side panels of the engine. And then we have our trans tunnel. And then over here, we have, I want to say about 36 boxes. I don't have the number in front of me right now, but I'm believing that number 18 over there is my bench seat, which is going to be really cool. It has an armrest on it. And, some of this stuff is not really identifiable except for that. And of course, here's what I believe to be the back window of the coupe. It didn't come in a box, but somewhere in here is probably a windshield. Might be one of these longer big boxes. Maybe this one down here below. Number 24, I think it says. So all in all, man, this is amazing. The first thing I need to do is, because I do want to bring the Corvette and not leave it outside, so I'm going to be moving all this stuff outside of the garage, putting it into actually one of my bedrooms, and then spare bedrooms, and then kind of go through inventory and kind of figure out what I'm doing and come up with a game plan and putting this whole thing together. So this is just a little preliminary celebration video that it's finally here. It's been a long time coming. And I'm really excited about putting this version 2 33 hot rod together. And man, is it real at this point. It is officially real.